southwesterly and all this cloud and rain sweeping west to east across Scotland. For Northern Ireland, you could see the odd splash of rain as well. For England and for Wales, there'll be 1 or 2 showers across northern England, Wales, central southern England, but for most it will be dry and like today, large areas of cloud with some sunny breaks. Temperatures 10 in Lerwick to 18 or 19 in London and Cardiff. Now, as we head on from Tuesday into Wednesday, here comes our weather front. First bit goes east across Scotland, the second bit sinks south across England and Wales, and we start to see low pressure develop. So there's a bit of a change of foot. So there goes the rain across Scotland. Here it comes heading south across England and also Wales, taking in some heavy bursts at times. You might hear the odd rumble of thunder coming out of this as well. And ahead of it, we'll see a few sharp showers. Temperatures, again, nothing to write home about. We're looking at 11 to 17 degrees. Now, by the time we get to Thursday, overnight, we see this area of low pressure start to really deepen as it pushes south across Thursday, and we will have some persistent rain across the southwest. So here's Thursday's picture. A keen east or northeasterly wind that will make it feel cool along the North Sea coastline once again. The persistent rain rotating around that area of low pressure across the Channel Islands and southwest England and also Wales. And then we've got another feature coming in behind which will also introduce some rain. So wet for England and for Wales, for Northern Ireland and Scotland, something drier for you. Bits and pieces of cloud which could produce the odd shower, but for most it will be dry, and highs between 12 and 18. Once again, Dan and Lou, the weather is all over the place.
Is that?
I hope not. No, I'm sure it'll be back, Dan. It's going to actually be warmer and more humid as we go into the weekend. But even having said that, it's still going to be unsettled.
OK.
What a clever wee man. Yes, it is snow on the hills here in Scotland. It's in the Highlands. But I want to point you to the sky. You can see some blue skies here. This is Achnasheen. And for many parts today, we're going to have either variable amounts of cloud or some sunny skies. And in fact, for the start of this week, drier and brighter with lighter winds. The end of the week is going to be the opposite. So we've got high pressure. There's nose of high pressure dominating our weather today, keeping things fairly quiet. There's a lot of cloud around, and we've also got some rain and some showers. So some light rain and some drizzle in the southeast clearing. We've had some showers which have been heavier across parts of the southwest and Wales. They'll ease, but they'll come back later. And 1 or 2 showers too across Northern Ireland, northeast Scotland, some of them clipping the North Sea coast, where we have got a breeze, so it will feel cooler along that coastline. But this afternoon, some of the showers in South Wales and southwest England could not only be sharp, they could also be thundery. Temperatures a bit disappointing actually for this stage in June. They're below average, 9 in Lerwick to about 18 in Cardiff. Now, through this evening and overnight, we'll eventually see those showers fade. There will be some clear skies, again quite a lot of cloud around, and the cloud thickening across western Scotland and Northern Ireland by the end of the night, heralding the arrival of a new weather front. Not quite as chilly as the night just gone. At the moment, temperatures are around about freezing in parts of the Highlands and also parts of Northern Ireland, but you can see the difference tomorrow morning, so not quite as cold. But that does mean tomorrow we've got this weather front coming in from the west. It's going to be noticeably windy, a southwesterly wind, with this fairly light rain moving from west to east across Scotland and at times clipping Northern Ireland. For England and for Wales, light today, there will be quite a bit of cloud at times, but now and again we'll see some glimpses of the sunshine with a few showers getting in across northern England, parts of Wales and central southern England. Temperatures 10 in Lerwick to about 19 in Cardiff. Now, as we move from Tuesday into Wednesday, watch how the weather front does eventually move east across Scotland, but the other half of it moves south and east across England and also Wales. So that means that on Wednesday morning, it'll start off on a wet note across eastern Scotland and also across northern England and Wales down towards the southwest. We also have some showers ahead of that across the southeast of England, and all of these could be heavy at times. Temperatures 11 in Lerwick to about 16 or 17 as we push down towards the south. Then from Wednesday into Thursday, our area of low pressure really starts to deepen, and we'll see some persistent rain coming in across the southwest of England. One look at those isobars also tells you it's going to be windier, and that's a keen wind coming from the North Sea. It's either going to be a northerly or a northeasterly as it comes in. So we've got the persistent rain rotating around that area of low pressure across the southwestern quarter of the UK. Behind that, another system coming in, bringing in some more rain, which could potentially be a little bit lighter. But for Northern Ireland and for Scotland, we're looking at drier conditions, some sunny skies coming through, but still areas of cloud at times. Temperatures on Thursday, 12 in the north to 17 or 18 as we push down towards the south. But don't forget, with the keen wind, it will feel cooler than this. But that cooler weather's not going to last because we're going to start to change the wind direction and import some humid air for the weekend. I'll have more on that later, but the headlines are next. Good morning, Dan and Lou. Good morning to you too. Got a lovely Weather Watchers picture here from Eastbourne. Look at all this cloud. Many of us will be seeing cloud not too dissimilar to that today, with not much in the way of sunshine. And in fact, this week, the start of the week is going to be drier and brighter with lighter winds than the end, which will be the complete opposite. So a lot of cloud around this morning. It's producing some showers. We've got a few across southwest England and Wales. They'll ease off and then they'll perk up, and those this afternoon could be heavy and thundery. 1 or 2 showers in Northern Ireland, eastern Scotland clipping the North Sea coastline, the showers clearing from the southeast that we currently have, and quite breezy too along that North Sea coastline, so here it will feel quite cool. Temperatures below par for this stage in June at 9 to 18. Now through this evening and overnight, eventually we lose the showers from the southwest. Still a fair bit of cloud around, some clear skies, and by the end of the night, the cloud will be thickening across Northern Ireland and western Scotland, heralding the arrival of the next weather front. These are overnight lows, so not quite as cool as it is first thing this morning. So tomorrow we've got our weather front drifting from the west towards the east across Scotland and at times Northern Ireland, windy around that. For England and Wales, we're looking at a fair bit of cloud, rather light today, and once again there'll be a few showers dotted around Northern England, Wales and central southern England. Temperatures tomorrow between 10 and 19 degrees. Lou and Dan. Good morning, everybody. This morning there's quite a bit of cloud around, as you can see from our lovely Weather Watchers picture taken in Norfolk earlier on. Now, as we go through the course of this week, we are going to see quite a lot of cloud. We'll see rain at times. Today, it's showers that we're looking at. And we've also got some drizzle to get rid of from the southeast. That will eventually clear away. But we've also got this nose of high pressure which is dominating our weather today, so things relatively settled. So a lot of cloud, some sunny breaks as we go through the day, but we've got showers easing this morning in the southwest, then they'll come back again as we go through the afternoon across South Wales and southwest England, where they could be sharp and also thundery. For the rest of southern England, it's variable amounts of cloud and some sunny skies, and the same for the Channel Islands. And then as we move across Wales and northern England, you could see the odd shower getting into Northern Ireland, the odd shower across northeast Scotland, clipping the North Sea coastline at times. But as you can also see, a lot of dry weather. Now it's going to be breezy, particularly along that North Sea coastline, so it will feel chilly for you if you're out and about, with our temperature range 9 in the north to about 18 in the south. As we move through the evening and overnight, we eventually say goodbye to those showers. It will be a largely dry night, fair bit of cloud around, once again some breaks, but by the end of the night, the arrival of a weather front means that we'll see thicker cloud across Northern Ireland and western Scotland, and eventually some spots of rain. Not as cold a night as the one just gone. In Bridge in the Highlands, temperatures fell below -1. So tonight we're looking at between 5 and about 10 degrees. Now tomorrow, picking up this band of rain, it's going to be moving from the west to the east across Scotland. A noticeable southwesterly wind with it, and at times that will also clip Northern Ireland, so you'll see a fair bit of cloud and some spots of rain at times. Whereas for England and for Wales, we're looking at a mostly dry day. Like today, a lot of cloud around, some sunny skies, some showers across Northern England, Wales and central southern England. Temperatures 10 in Lerwick to 19 in Cardiff. Now, as we move into Wednesday, the weather front eventually gets into eastern Scotland with its cloud and rain and clears. The other side of it, though, dangles across England and Wales, introducing some heavier bursts of rain. And ahead of that, we'll see some showers in the southeast, which could also be heavy and also thundery. A range of temperatures, 11 in the north to 17 or 18 in the south. Low pressure is with us very much on Thursday, and it's a deep area, so we'll have some persistent rain around the southwest of England, including the Channel Islands. Right behind that, we've got another weather front producing some rain across parts of northern England, in through the Midlands, down into the southeast. And it's for Northern Ireland and Scotland where we see drier conditions, some sunshine, but nonetheless there still will be areas of cloud floating around. On Thursday, we'll also have a keen easterly wind, temperatures 12 to about 18. The headlines are next. It is very nice Morecambe Beach behind me here, but as you can see, a lot of cloud. In fact, for the next few days, next couple of days anyway, we're going to see a lot of cloud across the UK. And most of us will have dry conditions, light winds, but then it changes at the end of the week, as you'll see in a jiffy. High pressure is in charge of our weather today. Not much in the way of isobars, although it will be quite breezy along the North Sea coastline. Most of us will stay dry. We have a few showers around first thing and some drizzle which will clear the far southeast of England as we go through the morning. Some showers easing across Devon and Cornwall, but later they'll pick up again and turn quite sharp across the southern half of Wales and also southwest England. One or two showers in Northern Ireland, northeast Scotland, clipping the North Sea coast at times, but the showers, you know the drill, not all of us will see them. Temperatures today ranging from 9 in Lerwick to 18 in Cardiff. Now through this evening and overnight we say goodbye to those showers in the southwest. There will still be a lot of cloud around, some clear spells, and then as the weather front approaches from the Atlantic, the cloud will thicken across Northern Ireland and western Scotland, and by the end of the night we'll start to see some splashes of rain. Temperatures though not quite as low as they were in the night just gone. So tomorrow, here comes the rain, that weather front moving from the west towards the east of Scotland. Quite a brisk southerly wind with it as well, and at times the cloud and the rain will just clip Northern Ireland. For England and for Wales, you've got a largely dry day, light today, quite a bit of cloud around, some sunnier breaks, and still a few showers knocking around Northern England, parts of Wales and central southern England. Temperatures, well, 10 in Lerwick to 18 or 19 in Birmingham and Cardiff. Now as we move from Tuesday into Wednesday, the weather front crosses Scotland, getting into the east. The other bit of it moves southeastwards across England and Wales, and this area of low pressure develops across us. It normally means unsettled conditions, and that's what we've got. So there goes the weather front crossing Scotland with its cloud and its rain. The other end of it taking some rain across parts of England and Wales, and ahead of that there'll be some sharp showers which could be thundery in the southeast. Temperature-wise, 11 to about 17 degrees, so temperatures just below where they should be in June. Then as we move from Wednesday into Thursday, this area of low pressure deepens and it's going to bring some more persistent rain, particularly overnight across the southwest. And that rain will be with us during the course of Thursday. Another weather front brings rain across other parts of England. With the driest conditions, Scotland and Northern Ireland, but with that keen wind coming from the north or the northeast, it will feel cold. Lou and Dan.
Thank you, Carol. It's quite